Do you hate Islam? I know you do. Are you scared of Islam? The false flags and wars have covered the faith and blood of a crime scene that Islam was not even involved in the first place. I know you're still skeptical, and I know you don't trust us. And I'm pretty sure that you're thinking in your head that there's a hidden agenda to Islam, a takeover to try to conquer the world. Well, I'm here to disappoint you. Islam is not a national movement. The main goal of our prophet was to unify the Abrahamic faiths and make them one. And that's what Islam is. Let me clarify things for Islam. Islam does not want world domination. Islam does not want to destroy the West. Islam does not want to impose Sharia law on your country. Islam does not really hate your freedom. Islam does not preach violence at all. Islam does not oppress women. Islam does not want to shut down free speech. Islam does not want to take your land. Islam does not want to take your money or crypto. Islam does not want to control your government. Islam does not want to control your culture or erase it. Islam doesn't want to ban art and music. Islam does not fear science. Islam does not reject democracy. Islam does not hate Jews. Islam does not hate Christianity. Islam does not serve foreign government. Islam does not want to build an empire. Islam doesn't want you to be poor. Islam doesn't want you to be ashamed of yourself or your past. Islam does not want you to be angry. Islam does not want you to live in fear. Islam does not want you to hate your neighbor. Islam does not want you to be divided. Islam does not want you to be ignorant. And no, Islam does not have a hidden agenda. Islam doesn't want you to hate humanity or people. Islam doesn't want to conquer you. Do you know what Islam wants? What Islam wants is a free Palestine. It's no secret. It never was.